Hello student, myself Tejpal, BSc Zoology Chemistry Botany, MSc Botany. Today we are going to study about one of the important topic of genetics, that is transposable element. Before going into deep, we should have know about what is transposable element. It is very important. We should have know about what is transposable element. First of all, we will know about definition or meaning of transposable element. So, DNA sequences capable of moving from one side to another within genome through a mechanism that differ from that of homologous recombination is called transposable element. Or another definition which is easier than it, DNA sequences that move from one location to another location either in same chromosome or genome or into another is called transposable element. It means DNA sequences, these are nitrogen bases sequences, or we can say that genetic code. DNA sequences move from, consider on it, DNA sequence that move from one location. Sometimes people say locus also. One location to another either in same chromosome or genome or into another is called transposable element. It is the meaning of transposable element. Now we will know about its characteristics, its general information. Let's change slide. Look at this. These transposable element also called transposable element or mobile element. Why they are known as mobile element? Mobile meanings change their position from one to another. Position is a temporary. So other name of transposable element which scientists use, transposons. Transposable genetic element, movable gene, controlling element and jumping gene. These are another name of transposable element. Next, transposable element often cause mutation. Transposable element cause mutation or error in genetic sequence, and because of this, what happened? Because of this mutations or variations caused because different type of proteins instead of exact coded. So this is a function of transposable element. Next, go on. transposable element found in genome of all organism. It means they are found in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic, abundant in quantity including human beings. These are also found in human beings. Most of the transposable elements are able to themselves at many different locations in the genome. Now, transposition. What is the meaning of transposition? Movement of transposable element. These are nothing. Transposition is a movement of transposable element from one to another site. Age often cause mutation either by inserting into gene, disrupting it, or promoting chromosome rearrangement such as deletion, duplication, and inversion, etc. They change their relative position within the genome in a single cell, and that is why called jumping gene. This is the reason behind that transposable elements are known as jumping gene, because they change their relative position within the genome in a single cell. That is why called jumping gene. First discovered in bacteria named as a insertion. Transposable element first discovered in bacteria and named as a insertion sequences also. Go next. Barbara M.C. Clintock reported about genetic element or transposable element while doing research on GMIs in 1940. So another small question is, who discovered or who invented transposable element? Barbara M.C. Clintock reported about the genetic element while doing research on GMIs or corn 1940. Transposable element can insert into chromosome of both prokaryote and eukaryote. It means we can also insert transposable element in a prokaryote and eukaryote and can create any type of mutation. This is significance or importance of it. So it is about the general information of the transposable element. Now in next video we will study about the general characteristics of transposable element, and later on about these types, classifications, about class first transposable element, about class second transposable element, etc. Thanks for watching.